What's up guys, Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and install of the new CH Precision EDC-EN. This is their new EDC optic that is fully enclosed. And we're gonna be installing this on a Alpha Foxtrot S15, which has been remilled for a RMSC footprint, which is what this is. Before we unbox this, gotta appreciate the packaging from CH Precision, as well as we have some of the specs on the front. Waterproof, IPX7 rated, shock proof, it has shake to wake, 50,000 hour battery life, 10 levels of brightness, and this version here is a multi-reticle. It's red with a 2.5 MOA dot in the center, then it has a 34 MOA circle, and then you can decide if you want the dot, the large circle, or both together, kind of like the donut of death there. Other thing to note, they advertise it as a rugged one-piece machine body, side-loading battery, which is always nice, integrated rear sight on it, and a recessed projected brightness selector. Let's go ahead and get this out of the package and see what's inside. All right, got everything out of the package. Going over what comes with it, you get 2 wrenches. One will be for actually putting the screws on to fasten this down. The other will be for adjusting windage and elevation. And then we have 2 packages of screw heads. Looks like this one are medium length, and then this one are longer screws. Cleaning cloth, pretty standard with optics. You got a thank you card as well as your warranty here. A Duracell 1620 battery. And then this guy, this is new. I haven't seen these in their packaging yet. Obviously it's the CH Precision logo, but this is metal. Looks like we could use this piece here to adjust windage and elevation as well. So we'll play with this, see what all we can do with that. And then last but not least is our optic. Dude, this thing is solid. Again, this is an RMSC footprint, so like a Holosun 407K or 507K. Typically this will go on like a concealed carry type handgun, a Hellcat P365 XL, or in our case here, this Alpha Foxtrot S15. It is fully enclosed, so you can see there is glass on the back here as well as glass on the front. And in fact, let's go ahead and get the battery in here before we get this mounted on. Perfect, and we can see that it is on, but we'll take a look at the reticle here in a bit. Next up, let's go ahead and get this mounted on our S15. First up, I'm gonna remove this Holosun 407K. With that off, we have our RMSC footprint exposed, and we can go ahead and take our CH Precision optic, and this should just line right up on there. Yep, just like so. So next up, I'm gonna grab the screws that were provided with the optic. These are the smaller of the 2 packages that came as far as the length goes. Let's see if these work. And then we're gonna screw them down. And I am using a Torx screwdriver, and I typically go between 10 and 15 inch-pounds. So I have it set to 12 here. So comparing the 2 side by side, again, this is the Holosun 407K on the right. You can see just how much bigger the window is on the CH Precision one. And also the big benefit here is that this is fully enclosed. So no dust, dirt, grime is gonna get in on your optic. Wow, I am honestly surprised how big this is for a, concealed carry footprint. Pretty awesome. Oh, one other thing, I did not on this one, but if you wanted to add some Loctite, use some blue 242 on your threads. They already had some provided on it, so I thought it was fine. And then one last thing I like to do is make a witness mark on these screws. I just have a blue paint marker here. And then we'll let that dry. And now you're ready to go hit the range with this. Before we wrap things up, let's get a look down the optic here. Again, this is a multi-reticle. So right now it's just a 2.5 MOA dot, but if you press and hold the up arrow on the side, it will swap it to the 32 MOA circle. And then if you press and hold the up arrow again, it will swap it to the dot, the 2.5 MOA dot, and the 32 MOA ring all together in there. Oh yeah, the donut of death, baby. For the brightness settings, right now it's at the max brightness, but I'm gonna go ahead and go down in increments. So let's see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And they say that brightness level 1 and 2 are night vision compatible. Let's go ahead and brighten it back up. This does have shake awake with 50,000 hours of battery life, so there's no point in ever turning this off. But if you did, all you have to do is press and hold the down arrow and the optic will turn off. To turn it back on, just hit the up arrow and it will turn back on. Hopefully this video was helpful for you all. If it was, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody.